Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So today I'm going to cover the 100 most important MCQs from environmental studies. These are with respect to my experience. So let's begin. So the first question, the objective of environmental studies is A. To raise consciousness about environmental conditions, B. To teach environmentally appropriate behavior, C. To create environmental ethics sensitive society, and D. All of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. Second question, organisms which feed on dead and excreta of the living organisms are called as A. Carnivorous, B. Decomposers, C. Producers, and D. Consumers. So as you know, living feeding on dead and excreta are nothing but decomposers. Third question, zone consisting of air, water and soil is known as A. Atmosphere, B. Hydrosphere, C. Biosphere or D. Lithosphere. So as you know, the right answer is biosphere because atmosphere consists of air, hydrosphere consists of water, lithosphere is a part of soil. So right answer is biosphere as it consists of all. Fourth question, which of the following pairs of gases are the major cause of greenhouse effect? A. CO2 and O3, that is carbon dioxide and ozone, carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, or D. CFC and SO2, that is chlorofluorocarbons and sulfur dioxide. So the right answer is carbon dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Fifth question, which of the following is the example of impact of development activities on hydrosphere? A. Air pollution, B. Soil pollution, C. Noise pollution or D. Water pollution. So the right answer is water pollution as hydrosphere is related to water. Hydro is water. Next question, chief source of energy in environment is A. Sun, B. Fire, C. Moon or D. Stars. So the right answer is Sun. Next question 7. Formation of ozone is oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, photochemical reaction or combustion reaction. So as you know, ozone is formed due to the light energy from the sun. So it is a photochemical reaction. Next question 8. Abiotic environments does not include A. Air, B. Water, C. Soil, D. Plants. As you know, abiotic environment means non-living. So air, water, soil are non-living. So those are included in the abiotic environment. So which does not include are plants. So the answer is plants. Next question 9. Which one of the following is an abiotic component of the ecosystem? So again, abiotic means non-living. So bacteria, plants, humus or fungi. So here the answer is humus as it is arrived from the decomposition of plant leaves. Other are all living organisms. Humus is a non-living. So the answer is humus. Next question, 10th. In which of the following sound travels faster? A. Air, B. Water, C. Solid, D. Vacuum. As you know, sound travels faster in solid. So the answer is solid. Next question, 11. The pollutant responsible for ozone layer depletion is A. CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon, B. CO2, that is carbon dioxide, C. CO, that is carbon monoxide, D. SO2, that is sulfur dioxide. So as you know, the right answer is CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbons. Next question, 12th. One of the following is not type of an environment. A. Physical environment. B. Man-made environment. C. Social environment. Or D. Hydrosphere. So the right answer is hydrosphere, as it is not a type of an environment. Next question, 13. The species restricted to be present in one of a region are called as edge species, endemic species, endangered species, or D. Keystone species. So the answer is edge species. Next question, 14. The term environment is derived from an old French word enviro, means outside, B. inside, C. surroundings, or D. biotic community. So the enviro word represents surrounding. So the answer is surroundings. Next question, 15. Major cause of increment in population growth is A. Decrease in birth rate, B. Decrease in mortality rate, C. Illiteracy, or D. Education. So the right answer is due to the decrease in mortality rate. Mortality rate means death rate. Next question, which of the following is not a component of 4 R's? A. Reduce, B. Resell, C. Reuse, or D. Recover. As you know, the 4 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. So the odd one is resell. So the answer is resell. Next question, 17. Greenhouse gases which is present in very high quantity is A. Propane, B. Ethane, C. Carbon dioxide, or D. Methane. So the answer is carbon dioxide. Next question, 18. One which is not considered as naturally occurring greenhouse gas is A. Ethane, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Methane, D. Nitrous oxide. So the answer is ethane. It is not naturally occurring greenhouse gas. 19. Height of ozone above the surface of Earth is. So the height of the ozone layer, A. 30 to 50 kilometers, B. 10 to 20 kilometers, C. 15 to 30 kilometers, or 50 to 70 kilometers. So as you know, the right answer is 15 to 30 kilometers. The ozone layer is from 15 to 30 kilometers. 20th, color of ozone molecule is A. blue, B. white, C. pale yellow, or D. pale green. So the right answer is blue. Next question, 21. Air is composed of gases, water vapors, and so the air surrounding is composed of A. dust particles, B. rainfall, C. snowfall, or D. light. So air around us is composed of gases, water vapors, and the right answer is dust particles. Next question, 22. What is troposphere? A. Portion of air, B. Portion of water, C. Lowest layer of atmosphere where we survive, or D. Portion of sky. So troposphere is the layer of atmosphere where we survive. Next question, 23. The amount of solar radiation reaching the surface of Earth is called as. Solar radiation means the radiation from the sun. A. Solar flux, B. Reflected light, C. Minerals, or D. Solvents. So solar is directly related to sun, so the answer is solar flux. Next question, 24. The environment which has been modified by human is called as A. Natural environment, B. Anthropogenic environment, C. modern environment, or D, urban environment. So environment which has been modified by human is called as anthropogenic environment. Next question 25. Which of the following is the correct sequence of the 4R principle in waste hierarchy? A. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. B. Recover, recycle, reuse, reduce. C. Recycle, recover, reuse, reduce. Or D. Reuse, recover, reduce, recycle. So the right answer is A. That is, first we will reduce, then reuse, then recycle, and the last. Next question 26. Write example of non-metallic minerals. A. Lime. B. Hematite. C. Cuprite. Or D. Bauxite. So the right answer is lime. It is an example of non-metallic mineral. Next question 27. Energy resources derived from natural organic minerals are called as A. Geothermal energy sources, B. Fossil fuels, C. Biomass, or D. Solar. The right answer is fossil fuels. Next question 28. Which energy is converted into electrical energy by a solar cell? A. Chemical energy, B. Nuclear energy, C. Solar energy, or D. Magnetic energy. So this is nothing but related to solar. So the answer is solar energy. You have seen the solar panels. It converts electrical energy through the solar light or the sunlight. Next question 29. What unit of solar energy does the earth intercept? It is 2200 million, 2000 million, 2100 million, or 2300 million. So the unit of solar energy the earth's surface intercept is 2000 millionth. Next question 30. Energy is returned to the atmosphere in the form of A. Potential energy, B. Metabolic energy, C. Heat energy, or D. Vapors. So the answer is heat. So energy returned to the atmosphere in the form of heat. Next question 31. That is the heat of interior of the earth present at volcanic region, geysers, or hot spring. A. Geothermal energy, B. Solar energy, C. Hydro energy, or D. Wind energy. As we are talking about the interior of the earth surface, so that directly relates to geothermal energy. So the answer is geothermal energy. Next question 32. What will be the impact of extinction of species? A. Cyclones, B. Earthquakes, C. Food web changes, or D. Rain. The right answer is food web changes, as one breakage in the food chain will totally hamper the whole ecosystem, and that will result to the extinction of species. Next question 33. The wrong agricultural practices contaminates the land resources and make it unsuitable for A. Residence, B. Industrialization, C. Crop production, or D. Landfill. So the answer is crop production, as agricultural practices are directly related to the crop. Next question 34. Nuclear energy plant has potential of high risk or disaster like A. Hiroshima, B. Nagasaki, C. Chernobyl, or D. Minamata. Right answer is Chernobyl. Next question 35. Conservation of soil and water is which type of function of forest resources? A. Productive, B. Protective, C. Regulative, or D. None. Right answer is protective. Next question 36. Dash doesn't pollute the air like power plants that burn fossil fuels. A. Coal, B. Petroleum oil, C. Hydropower, and D. Natural gas. So the right answer is hydropower, which is a very good source of fuel. Next, 37. World primary on an average energy demand increase by dash per year. A. 1.60%, B. 2.60%, C. 3.60%, or D. 4.60%. So the right answer is 1.60%. Next question 38. The demand of oil in 2040 will be increased from 65 million barrels to 165 million barrel per day. B. 95 million barrel to 195 million barrel per day. C. 85 million barrels to 106 million barrels per day. Or D. 105 million barrel to 205 million barrel per day. So the right answer is C. 85 to 106 million barrels per day. Next, 39. The demand of coal increase in 2040 is A. 20%, B. 22%, C. 26%, or D. 40%. The demand will be 26% increased in 2040. It's just an estimation. Next question 40. Which is not an energy strategy for a sustainable world? A. Immediate term strategy, B. Medium term strategy, C. Long term strategy, or D. Ultimate strategy. The right answer is ultimate strategy, as there is no such strategy which is foolproof. Next question 41. Dash and dash are the most used energy fuels for generating electricity. A. Coal and natural gas, B. Wind and hydropower, C. Tidal and hydropower, D. Solar and wind power. So the right answer is coal and natural gas are the most used energy fuels for generating electricity. Next question 42. Plants get their nitrogen from A. Rain, B. The soil, C. The air, D. The bedrock. So nitrogen is present in the ground, so they get the nutrition of nitrogen from the soil. Next question 43. Pollination by wind is called A. Autogamy, B. Entomophily, C. Anemophily, D. Ornithophily. So pollination by wind is called as anemophily. Next question 44. Which among the following have a large amount of installed grid interactive renewable power capacity in India? A. Wind power, B. Solar power, C. Biomass power, or D. Small hydropower. So the answer is wind power. Next question 45. The difference in temperature between the core of the planet and its surface is known as A. Geothermal coefficient, B. Geothermal gradient, C. Geothermal constant, or D. Geothermal efficiency. So the right answer is geothermal gradient. Next question 46. How many forms of fossil fuels are there? A1, B2, C3, or D4? So as you know, the fossil fuels, three types are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So the answer is 3. Next question 47. The most efficient energy conservation occurs in A. Tidal power stations, B. Diesel engines, C. Solar panels, or D. Hydroelectric power station. So the most efficient one is hydroelectric power stations. Next question 48. Which one of the following is not a gaseous biochemical cycle in an ecosystem? A. Carbon cycle, B. Phosphorus cycle, C. Sulfur cycle, or D. Nitrogen cycle. So the right answer is phosphorus cycle. Next question 49. transfer of energy from source of plant through a series of organisms is known as A. Food web, B. Energy cycle, C. Food chain, D. Biological system. So the transfer of energy passes through the food chain. 50. An ecosystem which can be easily damaged but can be recovered after some time if damaging effect stops will be having A. High stability and high resilience, B. High stability and low resilience, C. Low stability and low resilience, D. Low stability and high resilience. So the answer is low stability and high resilience. Next 50 questions will be covered in part 2. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.